Hi guys, welcome to a new video back on the channel here. We are back and this time we're doing a bit of an unboxing. It's a bit different this time, it's not actually really tech, it's just more peripheral stuff. But we got the Edifier I can't say that word properly without being dyslexic as fuck. G2000 Pro speakers. These are Bluetooth speakers with 7.1 surround sound. I heard good things about these as well. I do know that there are the non-pro models of these, and I have tried them before, and they were quite good. But I just wanted to do a bit of an unboxing, showing you basically this, how good these speakers are. And then we're also going to test them with the PC right next to us. Let's get round to it. So in the box you have this. And a box in a box, which includes your USB Type-C cables for your speakers as well. And we've also got a power supply for it as well. Not too bad. Just get some power to it. And what else do we have in this box? Oh, we have the figure of 8 cable as well, and some stickers and just the warranty stuff in that as well. So pretty good. So let's see how these actually look in the flesh. Oh, got a bit of this on it, but let's get that off. I want to see these bad boys. Oh, that was kind of satisfying. Ooh. Oh, they look gorgeous. I'm not going to lie with that. You have on the back, you'll see microphone, aux in, power, and Type-C. Also tells you as well that this is the right one, and then you'll also see the one that's left as well. But what we'll do is we'll get this hooked up, and then we'll get it testing. But I do like this pot here is RGB. I don't know if you can change the colour or not, but we'll find out. So these are what the speakers look like when they're on. You just press this button to turn them on, and you just do that. I've got it plugged in through aux into one. You only need to plug the aux into one, and then that one's connected like that. If you press this G here, makes like a sound. Unless you change colours. Pretty cool. You can also increase the volume, decrease it. But let's just... Hey, I'm trying to sign in here. So what I'll do is I'll now just quickly get a video loaded up, and then we'll just see how it sounds. I would play Spotify, but don't want to get copyright, so I'm just going to play something of mine. So this is what the sound quality is like. Yes, I've just pulled up one of my videos from recently.
What is...
You can turn it down.
The last virus created by Spencer.
Yeah, you don't want it that loud. You might
control human consciousness.
You might get yourself deafened. But that's how the quality sounds pretty good.
They couldn't let it be stolen.
My favourite thing is probably going to be not when it makes that noise, but the colour changing is quite interesting to me anyway. But yeah, that has been... I'm going to pause this video. So that has been on the Edifier G2000 Pros. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do want to try them out, I will link a Amazon link in the description, so then you can get yourself some if you want. But if you just want some speakers that are going to do a good job for you, and you want like you don't want to be paying the money for a 7.1 surround sound kind of system, but you want virtual sound, these are perfect. Yeah, the price range does range. If you're in the UK, it can range anywhere from say 120 when they're on sale to around 170. I don't know the US pricing, so that'd be more of when you check your own retailers if you're from America or any other country. But that's the UK pricing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Adios.